Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, it is Saturday night and I did not plan on making a Dollar General video today. I had actually just put on my pajamas and got ready to start working on CVS, and then I saw this post on Instagram from the beautiful Lady Jones that made me jump up and come to Dollar General to get this Dawn Power Wash. So this is going to be a really quick video to talk about this deal. So if you are not familiar with early activation at Dollar General, what that means, so the reason I'm able to shop tonight for tomorrow's sale, so this is the sale that starts tomorrow, is because it is after 7 p.m. Eastern time. And after 7 p.m. Eastern time, Dollar General tends to activate any sales prices that are going to go into effect the following week, that Saturday night. So it's Saturday night, and starting on Sunday, the Dawn Power Wash is buy one, get one free. So you buy this baby right here, and then you can get the refill for free. And I thought that I was gonna have to leave this store, even though they were showing stock. I couldn't find any of the refills. Y'all look and see, y'all see where the refills are at. So we're gonna have to get those in just a second. But yes, y'all. So we're gonna buy those and we're gonna get these babies up here for free. So the reason why this sale is magical is because in the March PNG that comes out tomorrow, we have a buy one get one free coupon that is the same as the sale. So you buy one of the Dawn Power Wash, you get the refill for free. So we are getting $3.99 off with the sale and $3.99 off with the coupon. This should be really good. So I'm actually going to break this deal up. The reason I'm going to break this deal up is because multiple buy one get one free coupons do not scan all at the same time. So I usually cannot scan 6 of these, use 3 of these coupons, and then have 3 of those sales promotions come off. So I'm going to split these up individually. You can try it if you want to, but you probably are going to get a beep on that second set if you try to use these coupons back to back, but we'll see how that works out. But I'm gonna go up and try this and see how this deal is working out and if it is truly activated. All right, you guys, so I am at store number 2 and I am actually going to place my receipt up on the screen. Everything worked out really good. So I'm about to do this deal some more, but before I go into doing it again, I want to stop and tell you a few things I learned from checking out with those first 3 transactions. So first thing that I learned, because my cashier wanted to get it all over with one transaction, she wanted to just scan 2 items, then scan the coupon and see how everything worked out. So we did it that way, and I did all 3 sets at first. So we scanned 2 items, then scanned the coupon, and we repeated that 3 times. All of the coupons went through, and the sale did come off multiple times, but for some reason my total came out to like $8.70 something after taxes, which I knew was higher, actually like double what I was supposed to be paying for all 3 sets. So I went on ahead and canceled that and rang them out separately. But that is an FYI that you can use multiple coupons in one transaction. But when that store discount starts compounding, that $3.99 keeps trying to come off, or $3.95 I should say, it may not come off in the right amounts. The next thing that I learned is that you have to scan these items in a certain order. So you have to scan this Dawn Power Wash first and then scan the refill in order for everything to come out right and for it to come out to that 90 something cent total. If you scan this first and then scan that, your total will come out to like $5. So definitely don't do it that way. I'm not sure why it's set up that way, but scan this one and then scan this one and you should be good to go. And another thing that I should probably mention for my people who are new is you don't need to enter any phone number in. This is not associated with your Dollar General accounts in any way. All you need to do is go ahead and put up your 2 items, scan the power wash first, the refill second, hand over your coupon, and it will come out. So here's a look at my receipt once again, just so you can see the final breakdown for this deal. Scan your power wash spray, then scan the refill. You're going to end up paying 96 cents plus tax for both, which is absolutely amazing. I'm not sure how long this deal is going to last, but it is slated, this sale, to last until the 5th of March. But Dollar General does often pull some fast ones. So if you have your coupons, I would go on ahead and get to the store and do this deal. So I don't want this video to be too long because I do need to start working on CVS tonight and get ready for that. So I don't want to be editing too long. So I'm going to go on ahead and sign off here. But I thank you all so much for tuning in. And as always, you guys, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.